Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account credentials and preparing devices. Sign into your Microsoft account on a PC or phone so you can manage linked devices. This is faster than using only the console. Once signed in, make sure any two-factor prompts are handled. If you can't access the authenticator, set up temporary codes. This step prevents lockouts and lets you view active Xbox connections and app authorizations before removing links. Next, go to your account's device and app management area to find Xbox-specific links. You'll see consoles, app permissions, and console sharing settings. Each must be removed or disabled to fully unlink. Select the Xbox console entry and choose Remove. If you see Sign Out Everywhere, use that to force sessions off. Make sure to revoke persistent app permissions so games and Xbox apps can't re-establish the connection automatically. Finish on the Xbox by signing out the profile and removing the account from Settings Account Remove Accounts. This clears saved credentials. Then change your Microsoft account password to ensure any cached sessions are invalidated. If the Xbox still shows as linked, clear the console cache by holding power 10 seconds, unplugging 30 seconds, then retry removal. If problems persist, check account security notifications for blocked sign-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.